Imagine a scenario where every action you took was guided by data-driven insights, where decisions were not based on guesswork, but on the solid ground of statistical analysis. It sounds like a scene from a futuristic movie, right? Well, you don't have to imagine this. It's happening in various aspects of our lives, from healthcare to finance, marketing to manufacturing. And at the heart of this data revolution is a powerful tool: statistics. Simply put, statistics is the art and science of making sense of numbers. It's about extracting meaningful insights from a sea of data to help you understand the world around you better. It equips you with the tools to analyze, interpret, and present data in a way that drives informed decisions and accurate predictions. Now let's break down the essence of statistics into digestible chunks. Data collection. The life of statistics begins with data collection. Data can come in various forms, from surveys where people provide information to experiments where variables are meticulously measured. It could also come from observing patterns or even tapping into existing databases. For instance, if you wanted to understand customer preferences for a new product, you would start by collecting data. You might ask customers questions, observe their buying patterns, or analyze similar product sales data. Data analysis. With the raw data in hand, the next step is analysis. This is where you dive deep, looking for patterns, trends, and relationships that tell a story. It's like solving a puzzle where each piece of data has a role to play. Continuing our customer preference example, you might analyze the collected data to see which customer segment shows the most interest in the new product. Maybe it's a particular age group or a specific income bracket. Data interpretation. Analysis leads us to interpretation. Here you go beyond the numbers to give them meaning. What do these patterns and relationships actually signify? Why does one customer segment prefer the new product over another? These are the questions you seek to answer. Data presentation. Now it's time to bring your findings to life through presentation. This involves creating visuals like charts, graphs, and tables that make the data easy to understand and appealing to your audience. Let's say you found that younger customers are more interested in the new product. You can create a visually appealing infographic to communicate this insight to your marketing team, helping them tailor the product launch to that audience. Data organization. Finally, data organization brings everything together. It's about structuring and arranging the data in a way that makes sense and supports your analysis and interpretation. For example, you might organize survey responses by customer demographics, making it easier to spot trends and preferences within specific groups. These steps, data collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organization, form the backbone of statistics, allowing you to transform raw data into actionable insights. Now let's explore some fundamental measurements in statistics. These measurements provide a concise way to summarize vast amounts of data, allowing you to grasp key characteristics quickly. Measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode. These measures give you a sense of the center or typical value in a data set. The mean is the average, the median is the middle value, and the mode is the most frequent value. Measures of dispersion, range, variance, and standard deviation. These measurements tell you how spread out or varied the data is. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values. Variance and standard deviation provide a more detailed analysis of how data points are dispersed around the mean. Measures of position, percentiles, and quartiles. These measures help you understand the position or rank of values within a data set. For instance, the first quartile divides the data into quarters, so 25% of the values fall below Q1. By understanding these basic measurements, you can start to unravel the patterns and characteristics of your data, gaining valuable insights into the phenomena you're observing. As we conclude our exploration of statistics, remember that statistics is more than a subject or a set of formulas. It's a powerful lens through which you can view the world. It's the companion you need to navigate the complexities of data-driven decisions. From understanding customer behavior to optimizing business processes, from predicting market trends to improving healthcare outcomes, statistics is your ally. It enables you to extract meaningful insights from the myriad of numbers that surround us, so embrace the power of statistics. sharpen your analytical skills, and become a more data-driven thinker. In doing so, you'll be equipped to make better decisions, solve complex problems, and predict future outcomes with greater accuracy. Remember, in an increasingly data-rich world, it's not just about having access to information, it's about knowing how to make sense of it. Statistics is the key that unlocks this understanding.